Hi there. Today I will explain what is ABS and Google functions used for. ABS is used to returns the absolute value of a number. Meaning, the given number is negative. It take the number and make that to positive. If positive, return as it is. Let's look some examples. In example 1, we have 2 and 5. When subtracted this two number it returns -3. But when we put ABS function it returns +3. In example 2, we have 25,000 subtracted by 48,000. It returned -23,000. But using ABS function it returns to +23,000. As you can see in example 3 there is no effect when the number is positive. Where you can use this. Assume you are preparing sales report. You have sales of 100,000 and purchases of 75,000. So your gross profit came 25,000 profit. But you have 35,000 expenses. This cases your net profit become -10,000. In the report to say T was a loss you can change the net profit label to net loss and add ABS to the function. That's it for this video. Subscribe and press notification bell. Show that YouTube will let you know when I upload new video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in next video.